Most people don't have supportive beliefs about wealth and success. As a result, their financial situation appears to be a constant struggle, regardless of how hard they try. In this video, we are going to tell you 5 limiting beliefs that are stopping you from building wealth. 1. It's too late now to get started. You firmly believe that you can't think out of the box now, and it's too late to start something new and achieve financial independence. Whereas the truth is, the advancement of science and technology has made it much easier to invest, save, and earn money. You should know that many millionaires today became financially independent in their 50s. So, regardless of your age, there is always room to learn, grow, and earn. 2.